Hello and welcome to Ebuza's Corner TV. Today I'm just excited to sharing with you how I roasted my delicious beef joint, and this is straight from the freezer. It's just amazing how it tastes. The flavor is just together. They just stay together once you take it out from the freezer and then start preparing it. In this place, you see me cutting the vegetables here, which is very. I'm going to use it to season it and create a sauce. All right, so those vegetables include the tomatoes, the onions, and the what do you call it, the peppers. Okay, the peppers. So you see, I use vegetables to make my sauce here. So the tomatoes, onions, and peppers. Right. So the next thing I'll do in that is just to mix the seasonings, all the condiments. I mix them together, and this includes rosemary, cinnamon, basil, parsley, curry, and salt to taste. So I did that, and because I'm diabetic, so I don't take a lot of salt, just a little bit of that, and that will do for me. I don't know about you, all right? So just make sure that you don't put a lot. So what I consider mostly important here is the herbs. The mixing of the herbs. You can see that one, that's cinnamon. I don't play with it. Everything I do, I eat. Cinnamon is good for diabetics, according to reports and research. They say the cinnamon could lower your blood sugar level, but you need to ask your doctor. Don't take anything I say for like a very short thing. You need to just ask your doctor about that one. The primary aim of this video is just to showcase how I roasted that beef joint. Alright, so this is rosemary, cinnamon, basil, parsley, curry, and salt to taste. Just a little bit of it. Alright, so if you are not sure if those things, please ask your doctor. Ask your doctor. I use them, they're good for me, and that's why I'm talking about it here. Just something, and I'm showcasing it. That's what I'm eating. But for allergy sake and everything, ask your doctor. Make sure you find out what's going on. So fast forward. What I do here is that I mix the seasonings together, all the condiments. I mix them together, and I put a little bit of olive oil, and then mix all of it together. All right, so I mix it, and the next thing I do is to use the same olive oil and put in the oven tray. Right. So the thing, the aim of it is just to form a base, a moisture base, so that it will not burn. The meat will not get burned and everything. Don't forget I'm bringing in vegetables onto it, so I'm just making sure that it remains that fresh by the time the meat is done. So everything, look at it now. Oh my God, this thing is something I do with all the joy, and you can do it also. So at this point now, I begin to all my mixture is in that plate, but I need to cut the meat into, not cut into pieces, just cut into it a little bit, but because it's frozen, so I need to a little bit, as if maybe I'm punching it in and out, so that all the ingredients, all the condiments, all the seasonings will enter into it, and then it will retain that flavor. Okay, so you don't want to miss any taste, any flavor from those condiments and the vegetables I'm gonna add afterwards. Okay, so at this point I begin to put the seasoning, okay, all over it and under it, or just to make sure it gets to every point of it. It gets to every point. All right, so this is good. Look at the way it is. The essence of this is just to create that special flavor. That special flavor that is, even when you hear the smell, as soon as it enters the oven, I hear the smell. Oh my God, it's just so appetizing. You can't resist. The aroma is fantastic. So please, if you are watching to this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, with your friends, please, and make sure you stay with us for more exciting, videos. Okay. So having done this thing, having plasters the meat with all the condiments and everything, the next thing I do is to begin to and use the vegetables to surround it, you see, all over it, and put it just like that all over the body and then around it, so that way not allow any of the heat to go away. The heat will be cooking the vegetables and making it into a sauce. So at the end of the day, when you're eating the meat, you're eating it with the vegetables, it's gonna be fresh. Oh no, it's gonna be fresh. At this point, you can put foil if you want, but I do not want to put foil. I want to just roast it direct like that. But I have preheated my oven. I preheated it for like 5 to 10 minutes on 200, and I'm gonna, as soon as I'm ready to put this into the oven, I'll bring it down to about 150, between 100 and 150, especially when I want to bat it that is using the juice that is coming out from that thing, to top it up, to keep the moisture, all right. So that cooks for 55 minutes, and let's see if it's ready. Okay, let's see if it's ready. We're trying to make this video short. Wow, it's ready. Pay particular attention onto the vegetables. You can see they are still fresh, but at this point, if you hear the aroma, is out of this world. All right, so I'm gonna cut it and see how crispy and tender it is inside. I can't wait to start eating it. Oh no, I can't wait to start it. It's so delicious, so yummy. Oh my goodness. This is good. At this point, I get excellent. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. That's what I. All right, I'm just gonna turn it a little bit to see how tender it is. Okay, this is tender. That way you're only seeing the dark soil. All right, the dark soil. I didn't mention it here, but this is it. It's just one of those things that are in the as an oil that I use to make sure that the meat is in brownish or darker color. Look at the way. Oh my goodness. How am I gonna finish it? Oh no. You see the way I'm eating it with those vegetables. Oh no. I mean, you could have done the same. You could have done the same. It's so wonderful. So wonderful. Please, if you are new to this channel, I create indulgence to please subscribe, like, and share, and support us in this channel and what we're doing. Let me hear your comments on the comment section. Let me see what you say about this recipe, and maybe if you had another way to roast it, how would you have done it? I want to see you, see your comments in the comment section. Oh, this is wonderful. See, can you just see it? It's very fresh. As you see, those things are still fresh, even after 55 minutes in the oven. All right, that shows you how delicious everything would have been. Look at inside of that meat is so tender. Oh, everything penetrated inside it. It is really, really good. That's really, really good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. God bless you. I remain Patrick Ebuzo for Ebuzo Corner TV. Check other channels. Check other videos here on Ebuzo Corner TV and enjoy yourself. Check all the the playlist. We talk about the cooking, the diabetes topics, all the things we do. Please just go around and browse freely on the channel, and then make sure you enjoy yourself. There are so many things, so many entertainment, education, how to, and then so many things you can never be bored, watching and browsing Ebuzo Corner TV. And God be with you. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye for now. Bye.
Oh baby, you're the dream I chase. In this beautiful life I found my place. Your smile, the melody that plays in my heart. Today's a forever, never one is too quiet. Let's dance under the stars, let the world fade away. With you in my arms, I'm ready to stay. No worries, no fears, just your love to hold. Living this life with you, I feel bold. Oh baby, you're the dream I chase. In this beautiful life I found my place. Your smile's a melody that plays in